Hello, I'm looking for Abagy Robotics.
You found them!
Great. Well, here I am.
Hello.
Here's my part. Where can I put it?
Here.
Excellent. Okay. Lovely. So,
Do you have something exciting there?
I certainly do. I am making a positive vibes machine.
Never heard of that.
Well, it's gonna be big now in a couple of years. So, this is my only part. All right, and I'll give you a proper look. Yeah, momentarily. So. Behold! What do you think?
Well, it's positive enough.
It is now, yeah. So, all right.
Great.
Here's the piece. This is my prototype, and I need it welded. All right.
Okay.
I need a circular weld around here.
Mm-hmm.
I need the internal seams.
Mm-hmm.
I need this thing here, straight weld.
Okay.
And I need this wobbly weld over here. I'll show you now. Let me just move it around. See that?
Yes.
Yeah, you see that now?
Very
See
nice.
that? Whoop. I need all that welded.
Okay.
So, my team has put together the 3D model, right? Can you load that in?
I can.
Yes, there it is.
Let's take a look what you have.
I have.
Okay. I'm adding the model. It is currently being analyzed for potential welds. May take some minute. It is already done.
Oh, great. That's my boy.
Okay. You have the same part.
So, we need to select the circular weld.
Okay. Great. We have it. Okay. Then
Internal seams.
internal seams. Okay.
Yeah, boom.
Okay. Merge them. Okay.
Very nice.
This one.
Yes.
Okay. This one.
Yes.
These as well.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Connecting all around, contiguous.
Okay.
Now, the wiggly one on the other side, this guy.
This.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
I want a couple hundred of these done for my positive vibes machine. Yes.
You need more positive vibes for
Oh, yeah, the whole
nowadays
world needs it.
right?
What we need now is seamless, seamless seams, flawless, smooth welding. Yeah.
Okay. So now I'm selected all of these smaller welds
Yeah.
with tricky geometry,
Great.
and I will group them so they will be welded at once without arc interruption.
Well, that'll save time. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I remember you want this weld as well. Okay, so now we also want these welds, these ones.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Okay.
I should have asked how much all of this costs, by the way.
I will tell you that our project managers should know that. I also have added this tricky seam, and you see that in default orientation of the torch, the nozzle actually overlaps with the part.
Just double check. You're talking about this one here.
Yeah, this one.
This
So
seam there, that internal kind of tricky zone.
default angle which we have, it's actually having the nozzle hitting this wall. So we want to change the work angle
Yeah.
to avoid that. You see?
Sometimes your nozzle is just too big.
Yes. Okay, should work. And now you want these welds to be welded without arc interruption, okay? As a one seam.
Yep. One continuous smooth seam.
Let me do that for you.
Because once we do it once, we'll be able to do it for the entire batch, which could be 100, 200 pieces, just like this. So,
And you will have like 1,000, 2,000 customers more with Abagy.
oh, we'll come back to you see.
I selected three welds and now I merge them.
Great,
as I did previously. Great. I will do the same with the opposite side. Okay, I have created three welds. Now I will merge them. My work, which I'm currently doing, is done once for a part, and then you relaunch the same program again and again without need of so much of manual work.
You can save this in your system as Positive Vibes Inc.
Yes.
Piece 1,
Yes.
and just click and repeat every time we need more units. Amazing.
I have the welding parameters, default ones for our cell. I believe it should work for you.
And if you want to change some parameters,
You may do like for a particular weld or for all the welds with the same geometry.
what if you wanted to change thickness
Thickness of the
of a
weld,
seam? Yeah.
we may do that by changing the speed or by like changing other parameters. I may make it like a smaller one for, I may make this one smaller.
Right.
Do you want me to do that?
No, I'd have to run that by the old technical team.
So now we have all of these seams prepared except for the scanning. Laser scanning requires us a special thing